Looking for a reliable way to keep your tires inflated on the go? The best car air compressor portable models offer powerful performance in a compact design. In this video, we'll highlight top-rated options to keep you road-ready anytime. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Modari 160 PSI Air Compressor. The Modari 160 PSI Air Compressor makes an outstanding travel companion for anyone who spends significant time on the road. Compact yet powerful, this portable air compressor for cars can inflate a 205mm tire from 30 psi to 36 psi in just 1 minute. It's ideal for road trips where you might need to top off your tire pressure without hunting down a gas station. Its cordless design and ease of use mean you can inflate your tires in the time it takes to sip a cup of coffee. A standout feature is its advanced pump core combined with a high-performance 22,000 RPM motor, delivering 35 liters per minute airflow, making it 4 times faster than conventional inflators. The uniquely designed air hose, crafted from automotive-grade materials paired with graphene and a built-in cooling fan, ensures this device remains up to 60 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than other models, offering reliability even during prolonged use. The Modari also impresses with its 7800 mAh high-capacity battery, enhanced by a low-consumption chip, boosting efficiency by 40% compared to many rechargeable competitors. This battery can fully inflate 4 205/55 R16 tires on a single charge, eliminating concerns about frequent recharges on the go. While it's not recommended for oversized tires like 265/70 R17, it handles standard vehicles, sedans, and smaller SUVs with ease. Modari's combination of speed, power, and battery life, along with thoughtful design choices like dual heat dissipation and auto shutoff functionality, ensures a safe, efficient inflation experience for both novice drivers and seasoned road warriors. This model is a smart investment for those who value convenience, performance, and road safety. Number 2. AstroAI 160 PSI Air Compressor. The AstroAI 160 PSI Air Compressor is a versatile, travel-friendly device designed to cater to various inflation needs at home, on the road, or outdoors. One of its most convenient features is the inclusion of 3 power supply options: 110-volt AC, 12-volt DC, and a rechargeable battery pack. The flexibility to plug it into a wall outlet, car cigarette lighter, or use it cordless with a rechargeable battery pack makes this model incredibly practical. Switching between high-pressure and large volume modes with a single button allows the AstroAI to inflate everything from car tires and sports balls to air mattresses and inflatable rafts. Its high-pressure mode offers rapid inflation, capable of filling a flat tire from 0 psi to 36 psi in about 5 minutes. This efficiency is made possible by dual metal motors and a durable metal cylinder, with the unit maintaining continuous operation for up to 20 minutes. The large volume mode further enhances its versatility, delivering an impressive 350 liter per minute inflation rate for bigger items. AstroAI's proprietary omni-vent dissipation system dramatically improves heat management with axial flow fan blades and optimized air ducts, extending the pump's operational lifespan and ensuring safer long-term use. Number 3. Denvix 45W Air Compressor. The Denvix 45W Air Compressor stands out as an innovative, multifunctional device tailored for modern travelers. This portable car tire inflator boasts impressive inflation speeds, pumping a standard car tire from 0 psi to 36 psi in just 6 minutes, and topping off a Tesla tire from 29 psi to 41 psi in just 1 minute. Such performance ensures you can quickly address low tire pressure without the hassle of visiting a service station. Beyond tires, its 15,000 mAh large-capacity battery operates as a power bank, capable of inflating 7 vehicle tires, 22 motorcycles, 31 bicycles, or 154 balls on a single charge. Denvix goes one step further with its 45W PD and QC 3.0 output, delivering charging speeds 3 times faster than typical portable inflators. In just 10 minutes, a quick charge prepares the device to inflate a tire immediately, while a full recharge takes just 1 hour with a 45-watt charger. This feature also extends to charging smartphones, tablets, and laptops on the go, enhancing its practical value. A key highlight is its 4-mode ultra-bright light, offering normal and bright white light for mechanical tasks, a yellow light for camping, and a flashing red emergency alert. This versatility proves invaluable for night use and roadside emergencies. The device's user-friendly design, robust inflation capability, and multifunctionality make it a dependable companion for road trips, daily commuting, and outdoor adventures. Its powerful performance, fast recharging, and bonus power bank functionality set it apart
part in the portable air compressor market. For drivers who value efficiency, convenience, and added utility features, the Denvix 45W air compressor is a top-tier choice.
Number 4. Modari Car Compressor. The Modari Car Compressor is a dependable, high-performance tire inflator designed for daily commutes and extended road trips. Delivering a powerful 45-liter airflow, this portable air compressor can inflate a 205/55 R16 tire from 30 psi to 36 psi in just 1 minute, 5 times faster than many standard inflators. This capability ensures that you can quickly address tire pressure issues and avoid disruptions during your travels. The device is powered by a robust 22mm cylinder and a 7800 mAh battery, providing reliable endurance by fully inflating 5 standard tires or topping off 25 tires by 20% on a single charge. A practical feature is its magnetic storage system, conveniently holding 3 accessories for a clutter-free user experience. The Modari Car Compressor is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including SUVs, MPVs, and pickups, and features 4 preset modes alongside a 160 psi custom mode for various inflation needs. Whether you're inflating car tires, motorcycle tires, sports balls, or pool inflatables, this unit has you covered. Its auto shutoff functionality ensures precise inflation, stopping once the desired pressure is reached to prevent overinflation. Safety is a priority with this compressor. Constructed from UL 94-V0 fireproof materials and equipped with graphene-based components and dual heat dissipation through a built-in cooling fan, this design maintains safe operating temperatures and extends the device's service life. Number 5. AstroAI 12V DC Air Compressor. The AstroAI 12V DC Air Compressor is a well-rounded dual-power tire inflator built for both home and travel use. Compatible with 12V car cigarette lighters and 120-volt household outlets, it offers the flexibility to inflate tires and other inflatables whether you're on the road or at home. The device effortlessly switches between high-pressure and large-volume modes, with the high-pressure mode ideal for car, bike, and motorcycle tires, and the large-volume mode perfect for air mattresses and other large inflatables. This compressor boasts a rapid inflation rate, pumping a flat tire from 0 psi to 36 psi in about 6 minutes. Thanks to its dual metal motors and metal cylinder, it can continuously operate for up to 15 minutes before requiring a cool-down period. OmniEye's axial flow fan blades and re-engineered air ducts ensure efficient cooling, extending both working time and the product's lifespan. Additional user-friendly features include an LED light for nighttime use, a digital display showing both preset and current tire pressure, and an auto shutoff function once the target pressure is reached. The device even remembers your last set pressure, making repeat uses more convenient. Individual silicone buttons make operations straightforward, and the compressor supports 4 pressure units for global usability. The AstroAI 12V DC Air Compressor delivers a balanced mix of performance, versatility, and practical safety features, making it a top choice for drivers seeking a reliable, easy-to-use portable inflator for everyday and emergency situations. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.